Hello, welcome back. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about web application firewall. One more line of defense to our. Okay, so you can see here that I have added a new item or a new item on our system, our architecture. And before you had ensured the authentication and avoid unauthorized access to our system, but we still need to protect our system against malicious requests. And because sometimes developers leave some branches or some space for attack, and we need to have some protection on more high level, which will be on our firewall, and it will be that our first defense to our system, right? So we are gonna leverage from ModSecurity project, which will be it's an initiative from OWASP, which is a foundation very well known and prestigious on the security space, and we are gonna use actual ModSecurity, and it is an open source cross-platform web application firewall, and it is known as the Swiss Army knife for OWASP web firewall. It enables web application defenders to gain visibility into HTTP and HTTPS traffic and provide a powerful rule language and API to implement advanced protection. So ModSecurity, it is an open source project, and this is type of system that it's in our cloud platform offer this service of WAFs, and they have ModSecurity behind the scene, and where they just wrap up in a product and sell it to the consumers. But you now know it, and you will learn how to use that on your system with Nginx. So this ModSecurity, it is used with CRS, which is core rule set. It's another OWASP project which will help us to set generic attack detection rules for use with ModSecurity, and it's compatible with web application firewalls. This is basically a project where we'll have all the generic attack detection rules that is used across the industry. And this a project has a lot of nice stuff, so you can extend that with plugin. You can use with HTTP 3 already, and here's some supported attack category like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, local file inclusion, remote file inclusion, and the list goes on. And this is a very active community, and you are safe to just add these two projects to your toolbox. And here you can find some example of rules. For example, rules for the cross-site scripting. You can see them here, and you can see more and write your own, and because you can all plug this on your Nginx very easy. I think we have covered everything about the project and what we are going to be using as a first line protection for our system. So in the next video, we are going to see how you can put all this in practice and have our running WAF firewall in our system. So see you in the next lecture.